friends, welcome to my channel Z Network Lessons. This is Zubair Altaf Qureshi again with the video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install the Cisco viral images of VIOS L2 and L3 on your GNS3 VM. In my earlier video I have shown you how you can download and install the GNS3 VM and then integrate the VM with your GNS3 client. But in this video I have a different setup. Let me just explain to you. So I have a PC on my network that is on 1.7, and I am doing an RDP remote session from this PC, and this PC I'm running the workstation in here, and I have installed the GNS3 VM, and I have actually breached the VM so that my VM is getting the IP address from the same network. So you can see the breached here, and it is getting the IP address from the same network here, right? So that is one thing. Second, what you do, you run the GNS3, and then in the edit and preferences you go and go to the server section. So in the previous video we went to the GNS3 VM and enabled, and then we selected here. That is if you have the GNS3 VM locally on that PC, but now I have this on remotely. Maybe you have this GNS3 VM on an ESXi server. So this is how you have to do it. You have to go to the server section and then remote server, and then you have to add this here. So name GNS3 VM, whatever you have kept, and then the host IP and the port 80 is here because I have the port here. So if you change it here, you can change it here as well. Okay, so that is it. I am running this. Because of this, what I was able to do is, okay, let me just delete these two. So these are the dockers. So if you go here, I'll show you how to add. So for this to work, your GNS3 VM should be should be able to reach internet, as I demonstrated earlier. So you click next here, and then you go and type here web term. Okay, this one, web term. This is a Docker in the sense it's a small. It's not a full-blown OS. I mean, it is based on Linux, but it has certain applications in it. It is very light, so in case you want to access the GUI of certain devices like your firewalls or your load balancer, you can use this. So you can use go here and then just turn on this, and now you can just double click and it will start this on the VNC, and this has only the browser. Okay, so if you close it, you close the browser, you get other options. If you click here, then you get the terminal here. You can go and see the IP address if you have some. You don't have it. Likewise, if you left click, and then you can see the applications. You have the Mozilla Firefox. You have the networks. Telnet you can do. You have the monitoring tab. You have the shell. You can run bash -sh. And then you have the X terminal. So like you can run the web browser to access the GUI of any of the firewalls or something. Okay, that is it, and let me just close this. Okay, I have accidentally closed my remote desktop. Let me just again run the remote desktop. Okay, so now the topic of this video is to show you how to install the viral images on your GNS3, right? So for that, okay, now before hitting the new template, I would suggest you to copy paste this in your downloads folder. What happens is it automatically scans the images. So click here next, and next on the GNS server, we'll go with the switch. First we will go with the iOS VL2, this one, install, and then install the appliance on a remote server. That is only selected here because I am running a remote server. This will scan, and it will automatically find the image in the downloads folder, right? So it has found it locally. Select there and hit on next, and it will say, would you like to install? Say yes, and it will upload the image to the VM, and then we will hit on finish. So once this you get the successfully created pop-up, you will see that you have the iOS here. You can configure the template. You can change the name here with this, say iOS L2 only. You can change the symbol if you want. So I like the affinity circle blue. Let's keep this as the switch. Yeah, this one. Hit enter, and that's it. So this is the default template now. Now let's try this, or let's try and okay, let's try this first. Okay, so there is some error. VMDK is missing. Okay, why is this missing? Configure the template. I can go to the HTTP and I can see here the L2. So I can go to the downloads folder and I can see this is the VMDK, and yeah, it is uploading. I don't know what happened. Let's see. Okay, hit OK here. Let's try and drag this again. Yeah, now this is here. I don't know what happened earlier, but yeah. So now let me start this up and then double click on this so that the console opens up. Hit enter, wait for certain time. Till the time this boots up, I will go and add the router now. So I'll hit again on the new template and install an appliance from the JNS server recommended. Next, in here I'll go for the router IOSV. Next, appliance on a remote server. Next, it will scan. It should probably, okay, it has found the okay, and it was not able to find the main VMDK file. So let's create a new one and name this as 15.7 because I have 15.7. so remember what you have here. So you can see I have 15.7. so if you download the same, just name 15.7. okay, and the file name should match this one. So I'll copy this, go here and paste it. Okay, and the startup is this one, IOSV startup config, the same that I have here. You can go and copy this, but add .img at the end. Okay, that's what it is here, and hit OK. It will scan again, and now it will find both the images. Now hit next, yes, and finish. Now it will go and you can see that you have the router here. So I'll go again and configure the template and change my symbol. So I like the blue as in router. Okay, and what else? Yeah, so if you want to change some adapters here, I mean edit that whole template so that you don't go again and again changing each node one by one. So I'll add one here and I'll add one here, like this. So I have two L3s and one L2 in between. So I will connect these, D00, D01 with 00. Now I will turn all of these on, power on, and you can see all these 1, 2 and 3 nodes here, and this is running on your JNS3 VM. And let's see the L2 has started. Yeah, enable. If I see the show version, this is 15.iosv. you can see clearly it's mentioning iosv, right? And the version you have is 15.2 here. Okay, so this is my L2. I will not change anything here. I mean, if you want to see some of the commands are running or not, so you can see the show VLAN brief command, everything is running, right? So I'll close this one and I will open up the console on both the routers, right? So this is my router 1 and router 2. Yeah, I had to change the name of the router on the template. Anyways, you can do it later. So this is my R1, this is my R2. Let's wait for this to boot up and I will configure the IP address and do a basic ping test. Okay guys, so both the routers have booted up, so let's go and configure and check the basic commands here. So I'll go and config T interface gigabit 0/0 IP address 10.1.1.1.255.255.255.250, and I'll do a no shut. And the other router, I'll go and do config T and interface gigabit 0/0 no shut, IP address 10.1.1.2 255.255.255.0, and then and I'll do a show IP interface brief here, and also I'll do and show IP interface brief here. Okay, now let's do a ping to 10.1.1.1.2 and it should work properly. Yeah guys, so that is how you install, download. So I'll paste the link for this this link. You can go and download these files from here, and yeah, install and enjoy. Yeah, okay guys, so this is for it for this video. Kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, bye bye.